Is your milk frother weak one day and foamy the next? Struggling to get a consistent texture for lattes or cappuccinos? This usually comes down to milk choice, steam pressure, cleaning, or wand positioning. Let's fix that froth, step by step. Step 1. Use the right type of milk. For best results, use cold, fresh milk with higher protein content, like whole or 2%. Non-dairy milks can froth too, but look for barista blends designed for steaming. Old or warm milk won't hold foam well. Step 2. Clean the steam wand thoroughly. If the wand is clogged or coated with dried milk, frothing will be weak or uneven. Wipe the wand immediately after each use and purge steam for a few seconds to clear internal buildup. Use a cleaning pin if your machine included one. Step 3. Position the steam wand correctly. Start with the tip just below the surface of the milk. You should hear a gentle hissing, not loud screeching. Lower the jug gradually as the milk expands, then raise it deeper to finish heating. Step 4. Avoid overfilling your pitcher. Too much milk means not enough space for foam to form. Stick to around 1/3 full. The volume will nearly double if steamed correctly. Step 5. Run a test with water to check steam strength. Fill a pitcher with water and activate the frother. Weak or sputtering steam may indicate a clog or mineral buildup. If that's the case, descale the machine. Guide linked below. Still not getting reliable froth? There could be a steam pressure issue or internal valve problem. You'll find links to support and the full owner's guide in the video description. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your coffee.